देखिए एवरग्रीन का जो टाइटल इनको दिया गया था वो कुछ मुझे लगता है कि हरे राम हरे कृष्ण के वक्त मिला होगा उनको। फिर उसके बाद हरे राम हरे कृष्ण को भी अभी आप देखने जाए तो 35 साल ऊपर हो गए। 35 साल की उसके बाद आज तक देव साहब इज एट इट। मैंने एक फिल्म की देवानंद साहब से, मुझे तो करना ही था देवानंद साहब से एक फिल्म। ये मतलब इस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में अगर काम करो और देव साहब के साथ एक एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हो तो मुझे लगता है वो मेरी ये जो फिल्म हिंदी फिल्म वर्ल्ड में जो मेरा जो ये आना है वो अधूरा रह जाता। बिकॉज आई फील एवरीवन टॉक्स अबाउट हिम and his energy, and everyone talks about him with his nimbleness of foot and even mind. I don't want to talk about his age. I don't think he likes me to talk about it either. But when you're sitting on a set with Dev Saab and you're resting, and he is sitting in the corner and you think he is resting, he's not resting. He's actually thinking about 20 different things at the same time. And when people say, no, kya energy hai unke paas? It's true. When you say action and we're supposed to enter a room together, I swear, he's off like Carl Lewis while I'm, reacting to the words action. He's out there. Milega hi nahi apne ko, let's not waste time. Jaise ke, he told me twice or thrice, I am supposed to enter the room before him and announce his entry. And he's saying, Bowman, you'll have to go faster. You will have to go faster. I said, yes, I have, because I am going by my pace, not by his pace, and his pace is there. He's off the blocks faster than anyone I know, and that's what keeps him going. That's the greatest lesson I learned working with Devan. Apart from that, gentlemanliness, the old world charm. He says it with flowers, even if it is for not necessarily for female actors, but even for someone, if something, there's a delay, his assistants are taught to apologize to you for something, for a delay, a simple thing like a delay, which happens every day with flowers. You don't get to see that in this day and age. So I got a little glimpse into an era that was, and as long as Dev Saab is around, an era that is. So that is my experience with Dev Saab.
One more thing I'll ask you, sir, is if we go back to your home days when you were younger, आपको याद है?
When I was younger, okay.
When you were much younger,
Okay.
आपको याद है कि आपने देव साहब के स्टाइल देखे थे और people used to imitate him. Did you do something like that?
No, not really. Not really. But my family, all my cousins and my sisters and everyone were all crazy about Devanand. So by default, I was also Devanand fan, because they would stop on the road, get out of the car just to stand in front of the Hare Rama Hare Krishna poster just to look at it and say, "Ah." So I would be standing thinking, what's going on? There's something really funny going on over here. But that man used to charm people from a poster. If they met him even today, they would feel the same way, because he's a very, very charming human being. You go to his den on the top floor of his office, and you walk in and you know that you're walking into a space where there's a world that has a history behind it. He's immensely charming, and he makes sure that he knows how to make people feel special, and he's not fake.